I rise today not just as a member of this august house, but as a mother. I am the mother of a medical student, sir. My son went through the entire NEET process, UG and PG. My son became a doctor. मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया sir, मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बन गया. But many parents dream the same dream as me, and their dreams are broken. उनका सपना टूट गया है sir. I rise today not just as a member of this august house, but as a mother. I am the mother of a medical student, sir. My son went through the entire NEET process, UG and PG. My son became a doctor. मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया sir, मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बन गया. But many parents dream the same dream as me, and their dreams are broken. उनका सपना टूट गया है sir. They will not be able to see their children again. That is the reality. It is a reality that treasury benches don't understand, because they only understand Man Ki Baat. They don't understand Janta Ki Baat. They don't understand Yuva Ki Baat. They don't understand Chhatron Ki Baat. They only understand Man Ki Baat. So, they will never stay up till 2 in the morning waiting for results. They will never watch a child stop eating, stop sleeping, stop smiling, because one examination is controlling his entire future. The treasury benches are not worried, sir, because their children are all studying abroad. Yes. Many of their children are studying in UK, US, Europe. They have no skin in the game. उनके बच्चे तो इंडिया में पढ़ते ही नहीं है, sir. They have no skin in the game, and they tell us about Deshbhakti when their children are studying all abroad. That is why they don't understand, sir. They lecture the rest of us on Deshbhakti when their children are all studying abroad. My son was fortunate, sir. Millions of children are not. Families sell land, they take loans, they send children hundreds of kilometers away. Children study 14 to 16 hours a day. Children ask the system for one thing, a fair chance. Children are asking for a fair chance. No favors, no privileges. Sir, the Honorable Finance Minister said that cancelled papers are a good thing because children get more time to study. This is preposterous, sir. Are cancelled exams somehow beneficial? Is this a government's defense? Sir, I would like to tell the Honorable Finance Minister, a cancelled exam is not a learning opportunity. It is a governance failure. What is an examination, sir? What is an examination? An examination is a promise between the examining authority and the student. The student promises discipline and honesty. The examination authority promises fairness. A cancelled examination, a leaked examination is not just an administrative failure, sir. It is a personal betrayal. And because of this personal betrayal, 21 children have lost their lives. One young girl left a note, sir. One young girl left a note. Sorry, mama. Sorry, papa. Sorry, mummy. Sorry, papa. I don't have the courage to take another retest. A child has gone because of the failure of this government. And the Prime Minister has said not one word about these children. एक शब्द नहीं निकला है प्रधानमंत्री के मुंह से. न सहानुभूति, न अफसोस, न हमदर्दी. एक शब्द नहीं निकला है, sir. He's so busy with his Man Ki Baat. The 2024 Act, which is bill amends, is no solution. All this bill does is increase punishment, sir. There is no examination reform here. When governance fails, there is only one recourse for the citizen, the right to peaceful protest. And how is that peaceful protest met by this government? Lathis, tear gas, pellet guns. In Bihar, an AK-47 assault rifle was fired on students, on peaceful, unarmed students. Delhi police case diaries show that the Rapid Action Force in firing pellet guns acted on the instructions of a DCP. The DCP reports to the Home Ministry. Can the Home Minister evade accountability? Can the Home Minister evade responsibility? He cannot. This is the Gujarat model. Section 144 renewed every 6 months. This is what happens in Gujarat. I demand that the Home Minister come to this house, make a statement, answer the students, apologize to the students. If he cannot do so, the Home Minister must resign, sir. He must resign. Sir, they have a playbook on protest. They don't know how to handle protest. Every time there is a protest, they label them Kisan Andolan, Andolan GV. Anti-CA, anti-national. Student protest, urban Naxal. Women wrestlers, they drag them off the street. Then they order the Godi media to label them. Tukre Tukre gang, toolkit gang, foreign gang. This is what they say. And once a protest has been morally disqualified, then they pretend that there is no grievance. The Prime Minister has events. Pariksha Pe Charcha. He's writing a book, Examination Warriors. A Prime Minister who has never taken a competitive examination in his life has written a book, Examination Warriors. This is laughable, sir. It would be comic.
No comment on PM, will go pledge.
Sir, protesters are patriots. Protesters are patriots. They are asking the system for justice. They are asking the system for a solution. That is why protesters are patriots, sir. Protesters cannot be treated as anti-national. Protest is an arena where the state and citizen negotiate their relationship. Peaceful protest is a constitutional device. Independent India was born from protest. I say to the government, do not criminalize protest. Do not criminalize peaceful student protesters. Put away your lathis. Put away your AK-47. Put away your tear gas. Listen instead. Sorry, mummy. Sorry, mummy. Sorry, papa. A girl wrote that, sir. Why should she say sorry, sir? They should say sorry. The Prime Minister should say sorry. The Home Minister should say sorry. Why should a child say sorry to those who love her the most? You should say sorry. Sir, democracy is not man ki baat. Democracy is janta ki baat, sir. Democracy is not man ki baat. Democracy is janta ki baat. They need to understand that. They need to stop listening to man ki baat and listen to janta ki baat. Thank you, sir.